Last week, U.S. equities notched yet another all-time high, now up nearly 20% from the late March bottom and about 10% year-to-date. We also saw some welcome relief in fixed income, with the 10-year Treasury rallying. Economic data, however, was mixed. First quarter GDP was revised down to 1.6%. Personal income came in weak for April, and after adjusting for inflation, real disposable income is now running about -1% year-over-year. Turning to the week ahead, investors will be closely watching Friday's May employment report. Forecasters expect another solid print, around 100,000 job gains, with the unemployment rate holding around 4.3%, roughly where it has been for the past year. But we're increasingly looking beyond these headline numbers for insight into underlying labor market trends. On Tuesday, we'll get data on job openings, quits, and layoffs for April. Our sense is that the labor market remains in a low-hire, low-fire equilibrium. This report, along with Thursday's Challenger job cuts data, should give us a clear read on whether that dynamic is still in place. The Federal Reserve will also be in focus, with several policymakers scheduled to speak throughout the week. These will be the final public remarks ahead of the June FOMC meeting, the first under new chairman Kevin Warsh. Warsh is not expected to speak this week, and it remains unclear how he will choose to communicate policy, including whether he will continue the practice of detailed post-meeting press conferences. Finally, we'll see the ISM manufacturing and services reports for May. Markets are paying closer attention not just to activity, but to pricing pressures, which in recent readings have moved sharply higher. So items to watch this week: 1. Labor market data. 2. Fed commentary. 3. ISM reports.
The views expressed are solely those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company or any of its affiliates. This material is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be an offer, recommendation, or solicitation to purchase or sell specific investment strategy, any security, or insurance product, and should not be construed as legal, tax, or accounting advice. Please consult with your legal or tax advisor regarding the particular facts and circumstances of your situation prior to making any financial decision. While we believe that the information presented is from reliable sources, we do not represent, warrant, or guarantee that it is accurate or complete. Many companies referenced in this content are independent third parties and are not affiliated with First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. All third-party trademarks referenced, including logos, trade names, service marks, and icons, remain the property of their respective owners. Your investments in securities and insurance products and services are not insured by the FDIC or any other federal government agency and may lose value. They are not deposits or other obligations of or guaranteed by any bank or bank affiliate and are subject to investment risks, including possible loss of the principal amounts invested. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Estimates of future performance are based on assumptions that may not be realized. This material is not a solicitation of any offer to buy or sell any security or other financial instrument or to participate in any trading strategy. Diversification does not guarantee a profit or protect against loss in a declining financial market. First Citizens Wealth is a marketing brand of First Citizens Bankshares Incorporated, a bank holding company. The following affiliates of First Citizens Bankshares Incorporated are the entities through which First Citizens Wealth products are offered. Brokerage products and services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, FCIS, a registered broker-dealer, member FINRA, and SIPC. Advisory services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, First Citizens Asset Management Incorporated, and SVB Wealth LLC, all SEC-registered investment advisors. Certain brokerage and advisory products and services may not be available from all investment professionals, in all jurisdictions, or to all investors. Insurance products and insurance are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, a licensed insurance agency. Banking, lending, trust products and services, and certain insurance products and services are offered by First Citizens Bank and Trust Company, member FDIC, and an equal housing lender and First Citizens Delaware Trust Company. For more information about First Citizens Bankshares Incorporated, its subsidiaries, and its investment professionals, visit www.firstcitizens.com/wealth/disclosures.